Alright, so since it rained last night, I'm sure the trails are going to be really bad because it was already bad yesterday. So I'm going to try and take the roads till about noon today, and hopefully the trails will get better by then, and the trail I'll be on is a little bit more popular, so hopefully it's a little bit more compacted. I'll give it a try, and if not, I'll just stay on the roads the rest of the day. Not a big deal. I've ridden this trail probably a dozen times, so nothing I haven't seen before. All right, I'm out. Alright, I'm wrapping up the Elroy Sparta Trail. I'm in the last maybe quarter of a mile of it. And I'll be on the La Crosse River Trail next. And still not sure. I think I'm going to stay at the Veterans Memorial Campground, but not 100% sure if I'm going to go further or get a hotel there or whatnot. So I'll decide when I get closer. But yep, this trail's been nice. Even though it's been rainy, it's been very acceptable riding, not too mushy. So. All right, I'm about to cross I-90. Alright, so today was a long day, mostly because I'm on the... Why does my face look really red? My face looks really red. It's not that red. Anyway, I think it's because the sun's on my face. But a long day basically because the limestone trails take a little bit longer. Almost 60 miles, I think it was 58, to Veterans Memorial, or Veterans Campground here. There we go, now I don't look so bright red. Still sunburned, but not the way I was being lit up in the sun. So air drying my tent as it rained last night, and I left at 7, and I was in the woods, so there was no way it was going to dry. So it was just a little damp on the bottom. The rain fly really is the one that's really wet, but it should dry tonight because it's not going to rain. I think it's going to rain for the next couple days. So tough day. I only have, I think, 7 miles of the Cross River Trail left, and then I will be probably taking roads, mixed roads, and the Mississippi River Trail. I think maybe it's the La Crosse River Trail, and heading north towards Minneapolis, following the Mississippi. So it should be cool. I've never biked that part of the trail, and north all the way to Minneapolis I've never done, so it'll be awesome. I'm just gonna get the tent set up here, get my sleeping stuff in, and go take a nice shower. Well deserved today. It's a nice little creek here. Very nice campground. Only 21 bucks or something after taxes. So, all right, I'm gonna get this wrapped up before the sun goes down.